Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be painting on flower pots. I have this terracotta flower pot, and I also have this textured plastic flower pot. I'm also going to need some paint. I always like to have some extra white paint, some Mod Podge for outdoor, some acrylic varnish, some paintbrushes and dotting tools, and a bunch of different colors of acrylic paint. Alright, and I'm going to get started. First, I'm going to prep this terracotta pot with some Mod Podge. It is for outdoor, but it does say that it's not waterproof, but I couldn't find anything else to use, and I had this handy. So I'm just going to use this as a base coat before I start applying the paint. Once that's dry, I'm just going to start mapping out how I want to paint this. I know there's a few cracks on this flower pot, so I want to camouflage those as best I can. So I'm just going to use this yellow paint as a stripe to hide that crack. So this is the point in the video where there's going to be a big jump from where I started to where I start again. And that's because I was filming and the battery on my camera died. As you can see, I added a few more stripes in different colors, and then I went ahead and filled up the empty space with some shapes in the same colors. Once the paint is dry, I just want to take my acrylic varnish and cover the entire flower pot. The Mod Podge Outdoor dries a little bit tacky, so this will take away that tackiness and seal everything in. It's good to use this in really thin coats. It does dry clear, but if the coat is too thick, it'll dry cloudy. Alright, with that pot out of the way, it's time to move on to the next one. This one, I'm going to mix up some of the colors, make them a little bit lighter, and I have an idea of painting a couple different types of cacti all over this pot. Because this flower pot is plastic and it also has a textured surface, I'm not worried about the paint sticking, and I'm not worried about any water seeping through the pot and ruining the paint, so I'm just going to start painting directly onto the plastic. Alright, once that's all painted, same thing as before, I'm just going to cover this with the acrylic varnish, and then I'll just set it off to dry, and it'll be ready to go. Thank you for watching another one of my videos. Remember to check out my Instagram and Facebook for more posts. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week.